Do you love reading but struggle to find time? We all know the feeling. You've got an enticing stack of unread books, but life just keeps getting in the way. Finding time to read can seem impossible when balancing work, family, and other commitments. And when you do finally get a moment to yourself, distractions are everywhere. Social media pings, household chores, even the allure of binge-watching your favorite TV show. Then there's the challenge of organizing your books. How can you keep track of what you've read, what you want to read, and where you've put that one book you're halfway through? It feels like you need a library science degree just to manage your own bookshelf. These are common struggles for book lovers, but they don't have to be. Our purpose today is to arm you with some clever reading hacks that can help overcome these challenges. But don't worry, we've got some effective reading hacks just for you. Firstly, let's delve into the world of speed reading. Speed reading is an art, a skill that, once mastered, allows you to consume written content at an accelerated pace without compromising comprehension. It's like having a superpower, enabling you to absorb more books in less time. Now, let's unlock this superpower. To start, minimize subvocalization. That's the little voice in your head that reads along with you. By reducing subvocalization, you can read faster than you can speak. Next, use a pointer. It could be your finger, a pen, or even a bookmark. This helps guide your eyes and maintain focus, reducing the chance of skipping lines or rereading. Lastly, expand your peripheral vision. Instead of reading word by word, try to read multiple words or even an entire line at a glance. This takes practice, but it's a game changer. With these techniques, you can significantly increase your reading speed and consume more books in less time. Next, we have some nifty hacks for organizing your books. Imagine the ease of finding your favorite novel amidst a sea of spines. The secret? Categorization. You might choose to categorize by genre, creating a little corner of mystery, a shelf of sci-fi, or a nook for nonfiction. Alternatively, you could organize by author, creating a delightful journey from Austen to Zola. Yet another visually pleasing method is to organize by color. Imagine a rainbow of literature right at your fingertips. It's aesthetically pleasing and can spark joy every time you reach for a book. The benefits of a well-organized book collection are manifold. It allows for easier access to your books, saves time searching for that one book you need, and helps in better maintenance of your books. Plus, let's admit it, a well-ordered bookshelf is a thing of beauty. A well-organized book collection not only looks appealing, but also makes your reading time more efficient. Lastly, let's talk about how to get the most out of your reading time. Every spare moment can be transformed into an opportunity to delve into a captivating narrative or an enlightening exploration of ideas. One of the best ways is by setting a daily reading goal. Whether it's a chapter a day or a book a week, having a target can motivate you to read more consistently. Ever thought about utilizing idle time? Those long commutes or waiting periods can be perfect for cracking open a book or flipping through an e-reader. It's all about turning time that would otherwise be wasted into valuable reading moments. Another tip is to establish a dedicated reading space. This could be a cozy corner of your living room, a sunny spot in the garden, or even a local cafe. A comfortable and quiet space can significantly enhance your reading experience. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to achieving your reading goals. Remember, every minute counts when it comes to indulging in your favorite books. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We dove into the world of speed reading techniques, helping you consume books at a faster pace. We then navigated the realm of book organization hacks, ensuring your personal library stays tidy and accessible. Lastly, we explored tips on how to maximize your reading time, making every moment count. With these hacks, you're well on your way to becoming a more efficient and organized book lover. Happy reading!